evening, student. I am SK sir. Today I am going to discuss on electronic configuration. Now, it is defined the distribution of electrons in various subcell is called as electronic configuration. It is represented as capital E and C. We know that there are four subcells such as S, that means sharp, P, that means principal, D, that means diffuse, and F, that means fundamental. Now these four subcells are used in electronic configuration. We know that the number of electron that contain in S, in previous video I derived the number of electron in S subcell, P subcell, D subcell and F subcell. Now in short I am telling you, if number of subcell 1, then using formula n minus 2. Now 4 into 1 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now we know that in S subcell, there are maximum number of electrons 2 available. Like this, in P subcell we derive it by using formula 4n minus 2. If n is equal to 2, then 4 into 2 minus 2 is equal to 8 minus 2, 6. Now in P subcell there are 6 electrons present. In D subcell we also derive by using formula. If n is equal to 3, then using formula 4n minus 2, 4 into 3 minus 2, that means 12 minus 2, 10. Now we know that in these subcells the maximum number of electron 10 are available. In F subcell, by using this formula 4n minus 2, if number of subcell is equal to 4, then 4 into 4 minus 2, we sum it, 16 minus 2 is equal to 14. Then we get that in F subcell only 14 electrons can be existed. In this way, we saw it in a subcell maximum 1 to 2 electrons included, and P subcell maximum 1 to 6 electron, and D subcell maximum 1 to 10 electrons can exist, and F subcell 1 to 14 electron exist. In this way, we see that we arrange electron in various subcell in this way: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, and 4f. Now we arrange the various subcell like 1s in K cell only one subcell S, and L cell S and P subcells are included, and cell M, that means 3, in which S, P and D subcells are available, and cell 4, that means N, in which S, P, D and F subcells are existed. So we arrange it. First we use 1s, then that is less than 2s is less than 2p less than 3s is less than 3p is less than 4s is less than 3d. Now we can use this electronic configuration in this way. First we use 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p and 4s. Now in this way, first electron fill in 1s, then after filling this, then it fill the 2s, after fill it 2p, after 2p then 3s fill electrons. In this way we see that electrons are filled one by one in every subcell. See that explained electronic configuration in details. Now here some pictures are given in which some structure are formed. 1s1, 1s1, in this 1 represent K cell, S represent subcell S, and 1 represent number of electron in S subcell. Now we see that 2s2, in this 2 represent cell L and S represent subcell, and number of electron 2 is represented. Now we see in 2p4, in which 2 represent L cell and P represent P subcell, and 4 represent number of electron that existed in 2p4. Now last one we see that 3d5, in this 3 represent cell M, D represent D subcell, and 5 represent number of electron that exist in this. How to write electronic configuration of element. Now first we take example hydrogen. We know that the number of Z in hydrogen is 1, so we write 1s1, where 1 is represent K cell, S represent subcell, and 1 represent number of electron. Like this, we use 1s2. We know that in S subcell, number of electron 2 can exist, so we write it in lithium 3 1s2. Now it's completely filled. Then we use next subcell 2s1. After filling the maximum number of electron 2, then we fill 2s subcell 3, 2, 1s2, 2s1, 2 plus 1, 3. Now we have to clear it. Now in beryllium we write 1s2, 2s2, 1s2 in which 2 electrons included, and 2s2 in which 2 electrons included. So these are the fulfilled subcell. Now we write it boron 5, 1s2, 2s2, then 2 to 4. Now 1 is left, then we use 2p1. Now we know that whenever we write, first we use 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, then 3d. In this way, we write electronic configuration of any element. Now, if we take example like calcium 20, now we write it 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 4s2. Now we see that 1s2, that means 1 represent cell and S represent subcell in which 2 electrons included, like this. 2, that means S cell, that in S subcell number of electron 2, and likely 2p, the same cell in P subcells included, in which number of 6 electron available. Now 3s2, it's completed field, and like 3p6, these are also same cell, so here S is fulfilled and P is also fulfilled. Now after filling it, we use 4s2. Now S is also completely filled. If we use like chlorine 70, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Now we see calculating it, 2 to 4, 6, 10, to 12, 5, 17. Now we sum it, 17 electron, in which K cell, 1 represent K cell, 2 represent L cell, in which 2 are 6, 8 electrons, and 3s and 3p, these represent M cell, in which 7 electrons are available. In this way, we see that every element which electronic configuration electron in subcell. Now we take example oxygen. then we write it 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, in which we know that 1s2 this represent 1 K cell and S subcell, in which 2 electrons are filled, 1, 2, like this. 2s also is written, in which 2 electrons are filled, and 2p, in which 4 electrons are available. So we first write 1, 2, 3, then after remaining 1 we fill it double. Now if number of electron increase, then we fill 5, 6. In this way we fill electrons all the subcell orbitals. We take another example like magnesium 12, in which 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Now we see that 1s, in which 2 electrons are filled, 1, 1, 2. 2s also, in which 2 electrons are filled, 1, 2, and 2p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons are filled, and last one 3s, in which 2 electrons are filled. In this way we write electronic configuration of any elements and we fill one by one subcell, but we have to remain in our mind that maximum number of S subcell only 2 electrons and P only 6 electron can be filled. Thanks for watching this video.